Alright guys, this is John with Liquid Life Gardens. Got the other add-on. Kind of wanted to open this up and take a look at it for the first time with y'all for the tractor. So I had to go back to BXpanded because the tube bar made such a drastic difference on the tractor, and I was able to clear so much faster than I can get rid of it. I ended up getting the thumb for the backhoe, and good grief, look at this bad boy. All right, so this is BXpanded's thumb. I actually thought about getting the Massey Ferguson one since it attaches to the ears that Massey already has mounted, and it goes to the pin in that, and this is a clamp around. But you know, with buying the tube bar and that and a couple of those items and some other stuff, you know, this was a little bit better price deal for me. So I went ahead and went with this. I spent maybe a couple of hours clearing trees with the tube bar on the tractor. But it took me the rest of the day to stack it and haul it. And it took me another full day to burn it all. Because I had to handle a lot of it by hand. So with this, I'm able to, I'll be able to hook one of my trailers, my small trailers, to my scag. And then take this and load all the small trees and that onto the scag, onto the trailer, then haul it with the scag, and then just rake it off with the backhoe right into the burn pit. Look at this monster. Oh my God, this is sweet. This is really nice. BXpanded builds some really nice stuff. I like the way it looks. I like the paint job on it. It's thick, really, really, really thick. All right, guys, so, okay, next part of this will be installing this onto the backhoe, and, you know, we'll give it a try, see how well it works with the little Massey. All right, guys, this is John with Liquid Life Gardens. So, the other day, my thumb for the backhoe came in from BXpanded. The front blade cleared the property so quick and left with so much debris that I had to go get the thumb. Throw it up here. Definitely recommend using some gloves. The teeth are a little sharp on it. Get this one in the right way. Put all my nuts on the same side. Washer, lock nut. He also told me to be careful because you can actually crush your stick if you tighten too much. They're calling for 55, I believe it is, torque. Really don't want it to bite just yet too hard because I ain't sure. So I want to leave it. Okay. When you raise your bucket all the way up, you're going to have to make sure you got clearance right here for this arm. Keep from hitting it when it comes all the way up and skidding it up or pushing down on it. So have to back it up. So when you're setting this thing, make sure you raise your bucket all the way up and go all the way down. Make sure you got the clearance for it. So I'm going to back it up just a little bit, give me a gap in there. And then what I'll do is I'll close it up and then make sure the bucket will close all the way. 55 foot-pounds is not a whole lot of torque. Okay, let's see how that is. Okay, now we got a nice size gap right there. Now let's go through and make sure everything's functioning like it should. Okay, let's tight. Now this one here, you just snug, and in fact, let me pull my pin. At least pull this part out so I can check it and make sure. You don't want to get it too tight. You want it to kind of almost hold its own, they said. Yep, I think that'll do right there. All right, this one too. And again, just snug, because you want the pivot. Yes, that way you can maintain control over. There we go, guys. BXpanded thumb installed. It was simple. Check it with the torque wrench, make sure. I'll show you all that gap right quick. So right here is where, when I opened my bucket all the way up, when it came all the way up like this arm kicks back and it was hitting. So I just used that screwdriver to give me a good 3/8 to a 1/2 inch gap right here, space, making sure that it didn't hit and push it, up that arm. But anyway, guys, this is John Life Gordon's, and we'll see you when we start doing some serious work with this thing.